guys, Dan here. Sorry about the noise, the forge is heating up. I've got a little horseshoe project that I'm hoping won't take too long, but I figured I'd bring you guys along for the journey. So we just got the forge warming up, probably just going to use some 1/2-inch rebar, nice and easy, colder crap. Let's get after it. So this is our forge. I've obviously got it turned down for the video's sake, but this, if I can bring it out without killing myself, is what we are going to be forging. It's just 1/2-inch rebar, nothing fancy at all. Nice mild steel, easily workable, not too much slag, so it's not terrible, but nonetheless steel. Okay, so while the steel is heating up, I kind of figured we would go over what exactly we are trying to make. So I'm trying to make a welcome sign that's got a horseshoe on each side. So to do that, I would need obviously 2 horseshoes. So we're going to be forging 2 horseshoes. Hopefully that doesn't give us too much drama. Just getting ready to come out of the heat. And away we go. Hammer, touch, crack. Keep an eye on that. Oh, oh! You wonder why it's cracked. Okay. So what I'm thinking, So we are done. cool enough. Exactly what we need. Horseshoe. Fake horseshoe. We've got a bit of a cold shut here. No big deal. No room for heels. It's about 3/16 of an inch thick. Not square, not straight. We can get no toe or heels. I think I already said that. It's not perfect. It doesn't need to be. It's going on a sign. If I'm going to do anything else, it's going to be to leave a nail trough so that the nails obviously sit under the surface of the steel. But for what we did, stupid forge problems, what we got, this will work. Dan again, just trying to sign off here. I have a lot of videos planned. Not sure when I'll be able to get to them. I work for a living. If you don't watch this video. Don't click on my channel. Just kidding. You're welcome. But I have a lot more videos planned, so stay tuned. It's hard to manage time, but I greatly appreciate all the likes, shares, subscribes, and comments. From the bottom of my heart, God bless.